Why would anybody want to come and live at Jamaica? Jamaica. Where they? Bike man. Jamaica. But why would you be overseas, living the life, living all nice and beautiful, and want to come at Jamaica, come live? No one better than yeah, that's what they say, right? Alright, let's get into this video. Hi, this is Katie, aka Irie Sensei. My nose is shine because I need to take a shower. Oh my god.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Why am I doing a YouTube video like this? Because we're doing real things, real videos. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe. Let's talk about it. Why people of yard so occupantry, that are one of them. Occupantry, that are one of them. Oh. Hi, welcome back. Look what I'm going right there. So sorry. So we're going sorry for the Christmas. I'm gonna beat it, but don't judge me. So no, not all Jamaicans are related to Bob Marley. Not all Jamaicans are Rastafarians. This is crochet braid. It's not real. It's just that as it gets stale, it looks real. And of course, not all Jamaicans can run fast. No, apart from the obvious things like it's almost like summer all year round, except for the rainy and hurricane seasons. When I get snow, so we can go to the beach in December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, when everybody else feeling cold. We're going to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Oh.
No. Wee.
Yes, Jamaica was named the best culinary destination in the Caribbean from the world's culinary something 2023 in Atlantis, Dubai. Yeah.
That smell nice. Something for Patwah. I have put them in.
Jump up on it nice.
No, man, jump up on it. It's nice. Take it back.
And it's steam touch them. Like fire.
You have some big mumpy. You have some big mumpy where you jump out, you know.
Ooh, look at the one they curl up. You know, say wickedness. We don't want no.
No wickedness. If they not cook them, can't eat.
Why?
If they not cook them, can't eat. You gonna see crab in there, yeah? You see secret, it's flat.
Back flat. Well, then, living in the water, back flat.
Yeah. Up.
And the man come red instead of black, bro. I think that when this man tell me, he said, "Damn, we used to."
Where's spoon there? Man still active.
Yo, you're not chewing enough. I powder season. You put in powder season till when that float.
We take a powder season. Crab.
I powder season make it nice.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper, scallion.
Scallion.
Thyme.
I put in garlic.
You call that seasoning.
Jamaica also won gold in the robotics Olympic in Singapore. So we're full of talent.
hamstring. Bolt is eliminated in the heats of his first Olympic Games.
So this is the Irie Sensei. This is the conditioner. Conditioner, okay. And then this is the shampoo. All the like yes. And then so we have this and then the soap. Oh, you need to get the oil. If you don't get the oil, you're really missing out. Metal saving pan. Sale today. Sign up now. So different, separate and apart from the most obvious things, Jamaicans are just one playing a pass. Come like every time I do one video playing this side for pass. I'm sure. Yeah, what I was saying is that differently still, Jamaicans just different. Like whatever little, I don't know if I explain it, but Jamaicans just have a little flair. We have a little nice something about it where people just love. Even the stuck up of stuck. Rover, shh. Even the most stuck up people them. Once you're a Jamaican, it just, you know what I mean? You gotta be a Jamaican to know. Like, you gotta be, and you have to come to Jamaica for no matter. But when you come to Jamaica, you see. Football play on Sundays. Football match. And then no come out here so come argue with one another. A who thief and who not thief.
My car, when I lost
you can't get pregnant? Come talk to me.